The XRP token, which is associated with cryptocurrency payments, infrastructure provider Ripple witnessed a significant increase in demand. The company stated this in its second quarter earnings report, which was released on July 20th. The XRP ledgers and on-demand liquidity, ODL services utility has improved significantly as a result of Ripple's efforts. Its volumes for their OTL module have increased 9 times year-on-year, according to the US-based crypto financial technology business. This is due to the numerous ties that the company has recently built. For example, Ripple just signed a multi-year agreement with a Lithuanian retail remittance service provider to deliver speedy and economical transfer services throughout Eastern Europe. In addition to the 273.3 million XRP, the sale of the platform-related coin XRP has surged by about 40% as a result of the creation of the Ripple's OTL module. It sold about $409 million of XRP in the second quarter, which it took from its holdings in the previous quarter. Despite this, trading volume fell by 22.5% over the quarter, from 1.1 billion to a daily average of $860. The authors of the research remarked that recent personal happenings in the crypto market, as well as broader macro issues, have both had an impact on the price and volume of XRP. In order to support global decarbonization, Ripple has announced a $100 million investment in climate-focused fintech startups and other gas-related post-cosmic industries. Furthermore, the funds will be utilized to promote the development of new tools and features that will allow carbon credit tokens to act as the primary and FDOM the XRP ledger in the last quarter of 2022. Charles Stevenson, a Quora analyst, predicts that within 2 years, you will be able to buy XRP exclusively. The Ripple Foundation gave $3 million in grants to 36 grantees through its XRPL grant program. XRP cannot be acquired or exchanged on an exchange because it is meant to serve as a bridge currency and is the only currency that is not considered securitized. If Ripple triumphs in the SEC litigation, its price will skyrocket. Furthermore, there will be regulatory clarity, allowing for wider adoption by U.S. financial institutions. He predicted that Ripple would soon stop releasing XRP from their escrow accounts to retail exchanges. Even if XRP gets relisted on their platforms, it will not be made available to the public until financial institutions want it, which will postpone private investors' recovery. He believes it will easily surpass $150. His main concern is how an individual investor buyback will be handled once it is no longer available on the exchange, because XRP's ultimate goal is to be a stablecoin that serves as a linked currency between all digital assets, including all ledger. The price of an XRP cryptocurrency is expected to range between $35,050 and $1,000. When XRP is universally recognized as the world's bridge currency. Of course, we would not have noticed such excessive charges if there had not been a big class action case. As soon as we were kicked out, many people believe that when a corporation gets sued, its future is ruined. This is completely incorrect because these cases affect all organizations. Even well-known firms such as Apple, Samsung, and Facebook have been involved in infamous legal disputes in the past. Nonetheless, the business remains ordinary. Simply put, it indicates that someone is demanding payment and is furious. Of course, this is dependent on the facts of the case. However, in the case of Ripple, the SEC is pursuing damages because it believes that Ripple handled shares without an appropriate license. What possibly could go wrong? I'll be finished after the Ripple Corporation has paid the fine. The second scenario proposed by the corporation is that Ripple will successfully close the acquisition without having to invest any money. Notably, XRP has witnessed sustained gains, providing a solid foundation for retesting the resistance between 37 and 38 cents. Furthermore, the 39-cent region's 61.8 Fibonacci level has remained stable, dampening prior purchasing impulses. The alternative currency has yet to discover a potentially hazardous breach of the 2050 EMA links. Buyers may be able to retest the surrounding resistance zone if the current pattern lows are successfully retested. A close above or below the current pattern will almost certainly affect the short-term movements of XRP, which is currently trading around 37.54 cents. Altcoins have identified the groundwork for a return after 16 months of support in the last month, near the 30-cent mark. On July 30th, the 40-cent area will rise by more than 35 cents. The zone's reversal has a firm base as a result of its rise at 36.7 cents. As a result, XRP has made a rising low and reached thin trendline resistance, while the overall picture is in favor of buyers. The 200 EMA green reflects it, causing it to bounce. To confirm the short-term downtrend, traders and investors should watch for a bearish crossover between the 50 EMA N and the 20 EMA CN and the 20 EMA red. In this scenario, XRP may attempt to break over the top of its current ascending channel. Potential targets, in this case, would be in the 36.7% range, close to 200 MA. The point of control puck red, on the other hand, may allow buyers to enter and retest the 61.8 level near the 39-cent level. Buyers may attempt to retest the resistance of the 2-week trend line if prices rise sharply over 38.2. Following the re-establishment of positions from support at 46. The relative strength index is remaining in the neutral zone or climbing. If the market does not move above equilibrium, the market's short-term downward trend may be reinforced. Despite the build break being supported by recent buying pressure, he stopped in the 19.5 zone. If buyers do not step in near the puck, the ascending channel structure of the XRP could benefit the bears. Directional movement index DMA lines can give a buying advantage. When the X, on the other hand, exhibits a weak directional bias, buyers must engage in more aggressive discussions in order to generate a powerful breakout. As Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission struggle for a decision in their legal conflict, the price of XRP is predicted to rise. According to famous cryptocurrency analysts, closely regarded trader Donald stated in a video that if the LSAC case against Ripple is successful, the price of XRP will skyrocket. They have been extended through the procedure known as summary judgment. He asserted that if Ripple wins, the XRP token, which analysts believe would be sold during this drive, will be worth a significant gigamon, and many people will repurchase it. Donald claims that if Bitcoin stays consistent at $21,000, he will keep his XRP bet until it reaches $1, if not $2, $3, or $3 per token at the time of writing. XRP is trading at 46 cents per token after losing about 10% of its value, according to the daily hold and an end expert says that while RP is currently close to resistance, it may rise much more. If investors do not sell at this moment, he argues that their target price should be about 90 cents, which is an acceptable price. He stated that